So hello guys, welcome back to our channel GM's Kitchen. So today's recipe is milk cake, everyone's special milk cake. So let's get into the video. Before that, if you are seeing my video first time, do click on the subscribe button and click the bell icon too. So now let's see the ingredients needed for milk cake. 1 liter milk. This is actually full fat milk. 100 gram sugar. You can adjust with your taste. 5 to 6. Next is ghee, 5 to 6 tablespoons. Next main ingredient is lemon, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. And we need cashew nuts and mixed nuts for garnishing. You can also have vinegar instead of lemon. We have to take in lemon. So for making milk cake, let's wash the kadai neatly and fire it, and let's add 1 liter of milk. We have to use the spatula when the milk is boiled. So by the way, when the milk is boiling, let's grease with ghee in a cup. We are doing this step only because at that time we can't do that. So ensure that you are doing it first. So now let's ensure that the milk is not sticking to the pan. This process will continue up to 30 to 40 minutes. So we can't do any other work when we are doing this milk cake. This will be like palkova, but we have to curdle this. So see the stage, it's very well boiled. So let's wait for another 15 to 30 minutes. If you use vinegar, you have to pour some little drops of vinegar at this time. So I am going to do this recipe with lemon. So I am going to pour lemon juice sometimes later. So it's well boiling. I have poured 1 liter of milk and it should turn into 1/4 of milk. So that much time we have to wait. We have to mix it with a well-known spatula. We have to change the flame into high and low. So if you see right now, the milk have mostly dried out. So let's wait for another 10 minutes to 15 minutes. If you see now, the milk is turned very thick. See how the milk is turned thick. process may be long, but what gives this happiness, that is not said in words. That much happiness it will give. This is a perfect festival sweet. You have to try it and tell in comments. Wow, it's very well boiling. So in this stage we have to mix it. Don't forget to mix it. If you are doing this work, you cannot do any other works. So you have to ensure that. Make it sure that you mix it very well. After it is thickened only, we have to put lemon juice. So now we see it's well boiling. So let's mix it. Well boiling. So it's well thickened, very well thickened if you see. If you see, it is seen that it's very well reduced from here to here. I have taken seat nearby itself because I know that it will take much time. So you can also try it at home, It's a very well sweet recipe. Everyone in your home must like this. Must not out to like this. And please do subscribe to my channel and watch this episode. You'll enjoy my videos. So now let's add lemon's juice. That juice, we have to add lemon's juice in this stage only. After this bubble stage come. So now let's add lemon juice, half tablespoons for curdling process. It should not go to that process like paneer. So make sure it's not going to the process like paneer. A little bit of, it should not go milk. It should not come as paneer comes, that before stage. That water should not be seen, so a little bit, that's all, little bit. I have added half tablespoons of lemon juice. So now it's very well thickened. So after 1 minute, let's add sugar. After adding sugar, it will be like little watery. After that, it will be thickened. After adding sugar, after 2 minutes, it will be thickened. Don't spoil your mood. Simple. This is only curdling process. Very, very simple. You can also add vinegar as said. So now let's add sugar. Sugar 75 grams to 100 grams. If you can notice that is somewhat watery before. Before it's somewhat watery if you notice. After that it will be normal stage. Don't worry. So now let's add ghee. we have to separate and add ghee. So now let's add the other set of ghee. So I've tasted it. It's fantabulous. It's very nice. So now let's add ghee. So now we have added 3 tablespoons of ghee approximately. After pouring into a bowl, we can eat it in 4 to 5 hours for making pieces. So now let's taste the sugar. If you wanted, you can add. So I am adding somewhat ghee. The other set of ghee. So it has reduced much from here to here. So it's well thickened. So now let's add cardamom, punched cardamom. Powdered cardamom or punched cardamom. If we add powdered cardamom, it will go to every part. But if you add punched cardamom, it will stay in only one place. So let's turn off the stove. So yeah. So now let's transfer it to a well-greased bowl. Well-greased with ghee. That bowl let's transfer. So now let's transfer. Well-greased ghee bowl. It's too healthy that you can think that it's somewhat non-healthy, but it's really very healthy. So I have transferred. Let's tap this because air bubbles will be staying. So let's wait for 4 hours and then we have to make peas. So it has been 4 hours. So let's demold it. Let's show it in a stove. We have to demold it. For demolding it a little, we have to fire it a little. And then we have to tap it by flipping it. So now let's flip it. Don't use your hands, just use any objects because it will be very hot. So tap the mold like this. And after a bit it will open itself. Do it at your home and do comment in your review. Let me see it. When you fire it, you have to show it at your sides also. So yeah, we demolded it. It came out very well, superb. So let's piece it. Let's make it piece. So you can make your desired shape. See how it's superb. So if you see, the inner part is little bit golden and the outer part is little bit dim, and it's very superb. And the taste. So now let's taste it. Very well tasted. Awesome. It's very nice. So do try it at your home and so tata bye bye.